Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best portable belt sanders in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Skil Belt Sander. Skil is a highly rated brand that is known for its budget-friendly products. Therefore, we have included their belt sander on our list. At the first position, we have Skil 751001 Sandcat Belt Sander. The unique feature of this belt sander is the pressure control technology. This warns the user when excess pressure is being applied on the belt. This prevents damage to the belt as well as to the workpiece. It also has an auto-track system for easier belt arrangements. There is a micro-dust collection filter that can absorb even the finest dust particles. There is a 6A motor that drives a 3-inch x 18-inch belt. This much power is good enough for wooden surfaces. The sanding belt has an 80 grit abrasive rating, and the belt can be changed by moving a single lever. Just like any other machine, it also has an on-off switch, but it also has a lock-on button for smoother operation. Pros: safe to operate. Lightweight belt sander. Cons: comparatively weaker motor. Number 2. Our second best pick is One Belt Sander. We have a belt sander from One. One is an acknowledged brand that makes many heavy-duty power tools. One 6321 houses a 7A motor that provides a belt speed of up to 13 feet/section. It also has a built-in lock switch that will lock the trigger, so you don't have to keep it pressed for long operations. To change the belt, One has provided a quick-release lever that makes it very simple to operate. Along with that, you will get an ergonomic design that makes the belt sander pretty easy to handle and operate. Even with a considerable amount of power, One 6321 is a compact belt sander that weighs around 6 pounds. Pros: powerful motor. Easy to operate. Cons: single speed of operation. Number 3. Our third best pick is Astro Pneumatic Tool Belt Sander. Astro Pneumatic Tools, as the name suggests, is a very popular brand that specializes in pneumatic tools and equipment. They also make a pneumatic belt sander that we have mentioned below. This is a special-purpose belt sander from Astro Pneumatic Tool. This is a pneumatic belt sander that houses a very slim abrasive belt. It has a 0.5 HP power rating that is said to be good enough for industry-level operations. It has a 40 grit abrasive belt that is half an inch x 18-inch in size. This is the minimum size of the belt that can be found in our list of best belt sanders. It can have certain advantages. For example, this tool can be used to machine a tight, hard-to-reach area that might be inaccessible by regular belts. Also, it can be a perfect tool to remove weld spots. It also has a variable speed control option that makes it a versatile power tool. Along with the machine, you get 3 different abrasive belts, which are 40 grit, 60 grit, and 80 grit, respectively. Astro Pneumatic Tool 3037 has a 360-degree adjustable arm mechanism that adds up in the versatility of the tool. This is an extremely lightweight belt sander as it weighs only 2.2 pounds. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is CRAFTSMAN Belt Sander. CRAFTSMAN is a world-renowned brand that does need any introduction. It is known for manufacturing robust power tools and hand tools that offer high performance. No wonder CRAFTSMAN's belt sander makes it to our list. The belt sander runs on a 7A motor to drive the belt up to a maximum of 800 fpm for removing the material faster. The belt sander has an angled belt design that allows you to sand areas near joints. CRAFTSMAN's belt sander has 3 positions over the handle that provides you comfort when using the machine. You can change the belt easily without using any tools. The belt sander comes with a dust bag to collect debris and maintain a clean working environment. The equipment is lightweight and weighs only 6.64 pounds. The compact and lightweight nature lets you handle and carry the belt sander easily. Pros: lightweight and compact. Can sand adjoining surfaces. Easy to change the belt. Cons: motor is not very powerful. No variable speed option. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Makita Belt Sander. Makita is a well-known brand that has served a lot of satisfied customers. Along with many other power tools, they also make belt sanders. At the last position in our list of best belt sanders, we have placed Makita 9903. It is a variable speed belt sander that is driven by a powerful 8.8A motor. This is an efficient machine that can be used for a variety of applications. As you can adjust the speed from 690 to 1440 feet per minute, (fpm), you won't have a problem working on different kinds of material that require a certain speed of operation. It is easy for the initial setup as it has a built-in tracking mechanism that will adjust the belt automatically. Makita 9903 is designed considering the user's comfort and control over the tool. Talking about the belt, it supports an abrasive belt that can be used on both metals as well as the wooden surfaces. Pros: powerful motor. Easy to operate. Cons: comparatively expensive price tag. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.